welcome back to Pendragon's Twisted Metals. Tonight we are going to be continuing on our diffuser project. It's kind of like a locket, but it's for diffusing stuff. So tonight we're going to be putting a bail on so that it can have be attached to a necklace, and doing a closing mechanism down here, figuring something out for that. So let's get started. So I broke the stand more. As you all know, the light stopped working, but now the clip for the phone broke off. So I'm going to try super gluing it. In the meantime, while that dries, I have this sort of set up. So we've got the locket part that locks. So now we're going to do the bail, which I'm thinking I like this shape. So I'm thinking of doing this shape, doing a twist, and then doing another triangle, kind of doing like a time type thing for the bail. So let's get that done. Alright, well, besides the little setback with my stand breaking again, might need a new one. I think I might need a new one. But beside that, we now have this nice bail. Like I said, it kind of looks like a hourglass. I kind of like that sentiment, and you know, it still is a hinge. It is still hingy. And this still locks. So I think now we just need to kind of flatten out these sides a little bit more and clean the entire thing, and it will be done. I think I'm going to be doing that in the next episode, though, because we are coming up on... It's already today. It is Sunday right now. So I need to quickly edit all of this and go to bed so that I can process it in the morning. So with that being said, I really like how this project's coming out. It's really looking good. And I can't wait to get it all nice and clean so that it can get a piece of wool or cotton in there and start smelling really good. Now, if you enjoyed this episode, hit that like button right over here. And if you really liked it, hit the subscribe button and the bell, so then you get notified whenever I put out a video. I try to do 3 videos a week, though lately that hasn't been happening, but I'm going to get working on that. I do 2 lives and then this episode. So if you want to catch these episodes Sunday, or hey, you can subscribe and then you'll get notified. But in any case, I hope that you all have a wonderful evening.